If you're studying for the Property and Casualty State Exam, this one's for you. Today's video is all about workers' compensation and what state laws that you need to look out for when you're studying to avoid getting mixed up on the state exam. On the exam, you're going to have a mix of general questions and state-specific questions. For income benefits, for example, there's partial disability, which pays a percentage of lost wages, and it extends for a certain number of weeks. You're going to need to know what that specific number of weeks is. It varies per state. For total disability, it's 2/3% of the lost wages. That's general information. You're also going to need to know what your state-specific total disability benefits are. The most common is 66 2/3%. Some states it's 70%. You're going to need to know what your state specific is. And then also when it comes to the waiting period before those income benefits will kick in, it's 3 days waiting period. You're going to need to know for your state specifically, is it 3 days as well, or is it 7 days? It varies by state. Workers' comp is definitely one of those sections that you want to read the general section, get down those time frames, get down those days, but then you also need to know what your state laws are too, because they will absolutely ask you, and they can definitely get you when they're asking questions between general information versus your state specific information. If you need any more help studying for the exam, there's plenty of extra resources on our website. I cover general information in our programs. You're going to need an accredited study program to learn your state specific content. I'll put the link below.